Do you have a jacket, tails jacket? I don't know what you call it. Good morning, it's me again. I'm in work gear today because I've got some work to do, unfortunately. Outside boys' jobs, as I call them. First of all, I just want to introduce myself because I never do, and I've got quite a few new subscribers recently, which is fantastic. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the madness is all I can say to that. I hope you enjoy some of my vlogs anyway. Yeah, my name is Deb. I'm 58, soon to be 59. I live here in Somerset with my husband Joe, who's 63. We have quite an unusual lifestyle. We've lived quite alternatively for many years. We have a little art centre here and some land. We have a campsite and hold events, and it's very hard to describe, but if you watch some of my videos you'll see the sorts of things that go on here. Life has changed a little bit for us recently because Joe had an accident. He fell, he broke his hip and has had a total hip replacement, which was a bit of a shock because Joe's a busy man. He works really hard around here, pretty much 7 days a week. And so things have stopped or have slowed down considerably because I've had to take on a lot of Joe's chores. So there we are, that's where we're at. If you'd like to know more about us, it's probably a good idea to go back and look at some of my older videos. But for now, I just wanted to say hi to the new subscribers. Thank you so much. Helps my channel and encourages me to keep going on days when I perhaps don't feel like it. Although, as you'll soon learn, I like to talk a lot. So this is my outlet. This is great for me. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to get on with the video. Hello, me again. I just wanted to say this is a little standalone video of the circus in a field, in a muddy field just up the road from us. So our dear friend, Mr. Chris Borzini, who's a world famous funambulist, which is the technical word for a high wire walker, has his little circus yard just about a mile and a half away from us, and he put on a few shows over the weekend. It was very wet, very muddy. No idea why he did it, but this is what these circus people do, especially in the winter. They enjoy to get the season started because the season doesn't really start yet for a few months, so it's nice for them to have something to do a performance. But it was outside, it was a wet, I mean extremely wet weekend. But obviously we went to support Chris and some of the other performers that we also know, and it was lovely. He was joined by Mr. Dave Sanger, who is a travelling showman and has been for decades. He is actually a descendant of Lord George Sanger, who I will put a link to in the description if you want to look him up. Very interesting person. Anyway, I will run the vlog and hopefully you'll enjoy this. It is just a circus and a few little performances, but I thought you might like to see it. The sun came out for a short while they managed to do the performances. We went on the Saturday and Chris literally looked like he was walking in the clouds. So hopefully you enjoy those shots, and I'll see you again very soon in a regular vlog. Hello, it is Saturday and we are off to watch a circus show at Chris's circus yard. Mad as it seems, he's been doing a 3-day circus show at his circus yard just up the road from us, and so we're heading off there. It is raining all the time. It's not raining right now, but it's going to be a muddy field and it's going to be a difficult show to pull off, but I hear they pulled it off yesterday. So they have hula hoop girls, aerial artists, contortionists, somebody who shoots bows and arrows with their feet, Chris, of course, doing his wire walk. Yeah, some food, a fire display later. So we're going to try and pop over, even if we just go for an hour or so, see how we get on. I just thought I'd show you my outfit. It's a bit more of a costume than an outfit, to be fair. I'll show you. So hopefully you can see I have a little all-in-one suit that actually looks like a dinner jacket. Well, it's meant to look like tails, so it's kind of the suit that goes under the tails, but let me move you over here. So there we go. So there's the suit. It's like a little jumpsuit number. It has big lapels. That's better, you can see. So it's very much like, it's like a tails jacket on the top half. I put a scarf on. I'm actually too hot. And a little hat just to protect me from the rain a little bit. But I do have a jacket, tails jacket. I don't know what you call it. I forgot to show you this. This was a thrifting find. Amber and I found some really lovely old ex-hire tails, and we bought some. So this is my one. So let me show you. So that's mine, which is beautifully tailored little suit with the similar underneath. Basically it's like two jackets. So yeah, so that's me, except I don't have any boots on yet. See, wonderful tails at the back. And I have popped a little belt on with a little pouch on, simply to put bits and bobs in. And I would normally wear some sort of boots, but I'm gonna have to wear wellies, which is gonna kind of spoil the outfit. But there we go. I've got a little phoenix brooch on to make it a bit more interesting. And here comes Joe. He's been outside cutting wood. Not bending and cutting wood at a saw bench. Right, there you go. That's my outfit without the wellies. And I'll try and show you some of the show if it's not pouring with rain. The sun's come out. Let's hope it stays out long enough for everyone to do their performances. Beautiful sunshine. There's Chris's wire.
Lucia.
But you already bought a ticket, there's no turning back now. Round and round. Talking metal, chasing after you.
Here's Grey Wacky Jones. Some call him the tabby, but they surely don't know.
And that was where we came home basically, because it was just too cold. We were quite wet by then, and Joe was very tired and a little bit uncomfortable, so we made our way home. So we missed out on all the evening events, the fire displays and all the music and partying basically, which we're really not up for partying at the moment. So there we go, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. There's a couple of little shots after this, a beautiful one of Chris's wagon and a pony and the sunset, and I'll see you really, really soon. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll be back with a more normal vlog very soon. Bye for now.